A 35-year-old woman from central western Jabavu in Soweto says she is living in fear after her ex-boyfriend, who is currently serving a prison sentence, allegedly leaked her intimate videos on Facebook and threatened to have her murdered. According to the devastated mother of a 16-year-old daughter, the ordeal began after she ended her relationship with Mandilake Class. She says their relationship deteriorated after she confronted him over money he allegedly owed him and accused him of being unfaithful. Shortly after blocking him on WhatsApp, she claims her private videos were uploaded to Facebook, where they quickly attracted attention from social media users. The woman says the humiliation has left her emotionally shattered. She claims she has been unable to return to work and now fears leaving her home because of the public embarrassment and ongoing threats. Class is currently serving a 12-year prison sentence at Louwkoop Correctional Center after being convicted of hijacking and possession of an illegal firearm. He has reportedly served about 6 years of his sentence. The woman further alleges that he contacted her workplace, sent explicit material to her teenage daughter's cell phone, and threatened to send people to kill him if she reported him to the authorities. She says she has saved screenshot messages and other evidence on her cell phone and had previously opened a police case after receiving death threats. She has since been advised to report the matter to Louwkoop Correctional Center, open additional criminal cases with the South African Police Service, and apply for a protection order. When contacted for comment, Class reportedly admitted that he shared the videos because he wanted to expose the woman. However, he did not answer questions about how he allegedly accessed a cell phone while serving a prison sentence. Cell phones are prohibited inside South African correctional facilities and are classified as contraband. Authorities have repeatedly warned that illegal cell phone use in prison has been linked to witness intimidation, fraud, extortion, drug trafficking, and the planning of violent crimes. Police investigations into the woman's allegations are expected to determine whether further criminal charges will follow. Remember, everyone accused of a crime is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Thank you for watching.